Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about this Rails-based application that I worked on for the Flatiron School project. It's called Outfits on the Go, and the idea behind it is that it works like a planner, but for outfits. So we've all, or actually speaking from my personal experience, I always struggle in putting an outfit together for special events, or if I'm going away for trips, I always either overpack or underpack. So hopefully this application will come in handy in saving you some time and headache, I guess, and preventing you from like over or underpacking. So this is the home page for the app. If you're not logged in, it'll ask you to log in, or if you are not a member, you get to register or sign up. So there are two ways to log in. You get to either log in the old school way, where you just put in your username and your password. Log in. There you go. Actually, so let's just look at all the login options before we dive into other features. So that was the old school way to log in. And then you also get to log in with Facebook. So let's click on that. Okay, so apparently I was already logged into Facebook, so you didn't get to see the part where it directs me to Facebook in order to log in. But actually, let's just do that. So I'm just gonna sign out, and can't believe I created a Facebook account just for this part. So it must be a big deal, right? Okay, so I'm logged out of Facebook. So let's try this again. So I want to hit login with Facebook, and it directs me to the Facebook login page. So I log into my Facebook account, and then it directs me back to my app where I'm already logged in, and then directed to the feed. So those are two ways to log in. And now let's say you're not a member yet. So you get to register. Again, there are two ways. So you can either sign up with Facebook. Since now, like my previous Facebook account that I showed you has already been used to create an account, so I can't use it again, but you do have the option to sign up with Facebook again. But let's just create an account the old school way. So all these user IDs have been taken already, actually. I can't think of any right now. Let's see. Okay, Krieger. I've been using all the Archer characters. So Krieger. So in order to create a user, these are the required fields: username, email address, and password, whereas bio is optional. Hit create, so you'll be directed to the feed. So the feed is just a way to view other users' activities. So for example, here you can see like Hi KRAI created a board called Casual on this day, and then so it goes from newest to the oldest. Okay, so that's the user activities. And so let's check out the navigation bar, all these features here. So the home is just the feed itself. That's where we are at right now. And if you're not logged in, so the home would be the login page, right? So this is the feed, and on the right here, you'll get to view your profile, which is under your username. So right now it's Krieger. Click on it, you'll be directed to your profile. So when you're at your profile, let's say I'm not really happy with it and I want to edit it. I can go to accounts, edit my account, and I can edit my username, my email address, password, bio. I can also upload a face. I actually want to just get Krieger's face or picture from Archer. And there we have it. I'm just gonna screenshot this. Okay, now let's upload that. There you go. I have my picture up, right? Okay, so that's my profile. And now I get to view my boards if I have any, or you have the option here as well. So either way, you'll be taken to this page. So currently I don't have any boards. So let's just go ahead and create one. And what does Krieger like? So he probably wants his outfits for his lab. Lab outfits, right? Create a board. There you go. And as of now, the board does not have any outfits. We can go ahead and add one. And this is where you get to upload the picture of the outfit. I don't know, I want like a lab coat or something. There you go. I'm just gonna upload that. So an outfit could have an option, caption, sorry, and tags. So the tags work like hashtags. So hashtags is the feature that I'm gonna work on more in future, but for now, you can add hashtags, but you can't really work with it, or you can't really do other stuff with it for now. So I'm just gonna add some tags. Lab coat, PD. Oh, science. Okay, so I'm gonna add those tags and the caption. And add a caption. Lab coat. Okay. Post. There you go. So you'll be directed to that post show page, and here you have the caption and the tags. And if you want to edit or delete the post, you can do that from here. Let's say I want to delete let's look at the edit post first. Say I want to edit the caption, lab coat for days. Oh no. Is that what I did? Yeah, lab coat for days. So it was updated successfully, but let's say I want to delete it. Hit delete, and you get this data confirmation message that I have for each delete actions. So are you sure? Hit OK, and it's gone. So that's how you create a board and add outfits to it. You also get to check out other users. Click on users, and we have all these users so far here. So I get to view other users' boards as well, but of course I have limited permissions, like I don't get to edit or delete their boards or outfits, right? So if I were to check out Mallory's boards or Mallory's profile, so this is Mallory's profile, you can check out her boards. And so far she has 2 boards. She does not have any outfits on that one. Let's see if she has any here. She does not have any outfits there. Let's look at other. Lana has boards. She has the Bahamas. There you go. She has a lot of outfits. So you get the idea, I guess. So you can create boards which are specific to certain occasion or events or trips, and you just post like the idea of the outfits that you're gonna wear. So it's gonna help you in making decisions of what to wear when, right? That saves time. So that was the users. We've checked out accounts where you get to either edit or delete the account. Let's say I want to delete my account. So if I hit that, I get the data confirmation message again if I'm sure. Let's just go ahead and hit OK. And there you go. I'm logged out. If I were to log in as another user and just to check out and see if Krieger is still there. So I logged in via Facebook, and let's look at, there you go. So there's no Krieger, right? So that's how my application works so far. Of course, in future, I would like to work on the hashtag feature more, where you get to view all the outfits under that one certain hashtag, something like that. So that would be pretty cool. But this is it so far, and thank you so much for watching the video, and have a good one, guys.